Well, Peter, tonight there was excitement, world records, and there was also heartbreak. The excitement started with Natalie Coughlin lowering her world record in the 100 back, being the first woman to ever go under 59 seconds. And over on the side, you can just see Aaron Pearsall just wanting to get in that water, and he did. He came down with lowering his own world record, fighting off Ryan Lochte, fighting off Randall Ball, who just went out in a fury. But Matt Grievers, he was really the story. He put his hand on the wall second, made the Olympic team, and you could see him, he just jumped out of the water. You could almost see his belly button. And later in the mix zone, when we were interviewing him through the back curtains, you could see his coaches. And finally, Rick DeMont just broke over and gave him a big kiss on the cheek right in front of the press conference. And then Frank Bush, his coach at Arizona, gave him a big hug. And his coach from Northwestern, Bob Groseth, came out and gave him a big hug. So you can just see the emotion and the excitement for that. But the heartbreak also was apparent. Tara Kirk just placed third in the breaststroke, just missing the team. And what's ironic is that Megan Gendrick got second. She's on the team. But 4 years ago, Tara Kirk, in reverse order, just out-touched Megan Gendrick to make that team. So you got to credit Megan Gendrick for sticking to it. Also, Haley McGregory. Haley McGregory set a world record in the 100 backstroke yesterday, got her hand on the wall third tonight, and just missed making the team. And that's the third time she's been put in that position, twice in 2004 in the 100 and 200 backstroke. But she still has a 200 backstroke going forward. Now, other things, too, that went down. Katie Hoff. She's in a great position to pull off a very, very difficult double in the 200 IM and 200 free. She's seeded first in both of those for the finals tomorrow night. And then after that, we're looking at, well, tonight, the big story, the 800 free relay that the United States is going to put together at Beijing, already on paper, has the world record. 6 men went under 146. Just an incredible night tonight. Peter, wish you were here.